So that's a really good question, and it all comes down to presbyopia and the ability of our lens to accommodate. So basically, when we're young, we're still talking about young people anyway, but when we're really young, so when we're in our 20s to 40, 45, before we've lost the ability to see up close, our lens isn't able to naturally accommodate, so we're able to naturally see up close, and we want to preserve that, okay, because that's actually a really cool function of the natural lens. So to preserve that, we want to put in something that's reversible, and the implantable collamer lens is basically just correcting the refractive error. We can still see up close. So even if we correct a -6 script, we haven't got presbyopia yet, so we can still accommodate to see up close. And we don't want to lose that natural ability by removing the lens from the eye. We only want to remove the lens from the eye when we become presbyopic, so we lose the ability to see up close, or when we develop a cataract, because it's very hard to replace. There's no technology that can really replace natural accommodation of our lens. Doesn't matter how good our multifocal lenses are on the market, and I can tell you they're pretty impressive, it's still not the same as the natural ability of the lens to accommodate. That makes sense. So really your ICLs, you're looking at 45 and under, and your RLE, you're looking at 45 and over if you're going to use a rough age category to break it up. Now, there's obviously nothing's black and white in medicine. 45 is a very kind of arbitrary number, but usually for my RLEs, actually they're generally 50 and over, and my ICLs are generally 45 and under, and the 45 to 50 is a grey area, and that's where we might be doing Presbeyond or other kinds of things, which is a laser treatment. So yeah, that's kind of, if that makes sense, that's why we break it into these different groups.